Hi everyone, I hope that you're having an amazing day. You are here cooking with Kim and Cam. I'm Kim, this is Cameron, and today we are making a kohlrabi slaw. So what is kohlrabi? It is this fun guy here. It's a German turnip. It's also kind of just like a really big radish. That's kind of what it tastes like to me. It's in the cruciferous family, so very healthy for you. It is high in vitamin C, so very good for us, helps boost our immune system. So what we're doing today with the kohlrabi is making a kohlrabi slaw. What you're gonna do when you have your kohlrabi, sometimes it comes with leaves on it as well. You can eat the leaves if you want to. These guys didn't come with any leaves on them. But what you're gonna do with this to prep it is basically just peel it like you would a vegetable. Get this outer tough layer out, and it's gonna look something like this. So to make my slaw today, I used half of a kohlrabi this size to make the slaw. We're just making a little bit just to see what it tastes like. We've never tried this recipe before. And Cameron has never tried kohlrabi before. So to me, kohlrabi kind of tastes like a radish, similar flavor and texture. A lot of people will say that it tastes similar to a broccoli stem. So Cameron is gonna try it and let you know what she thinks of it and what it tastes like. Go for it.
Okay, so I'm scared because I don't like those things.
It's crunchy. You can hear it crunching.
It's like broccoli and carrot and sweet and bitterness all together. It's weird. I don't really like it.
All right, there you have it. So I like kohlrabi. Cameron does not. But we're going to make a kohlrabi slaw today. So what I have in this bowl here, I have half of the kohlrabi, julienned. So just basically these thin slices. And then I have a Fuji apple that I'm pairing with it. I put one apple in there. Same thing, you're just julienne. Nice thin slices. Doesn't have to be exact. I drizzled just a little bit of olive oil on there, and then we're going to add in half of a lime, the juice of half of a lime. So Cameron, if you want to squeeze that lime into there.
Yeah. Oh my god. Have I squeezed it enough?
Very nice.
Wait, I like to get out of it. Okay. There we go.
And then we have some fresh herbs from our garden that we're adding in. We're going to add in some fresh mint. Nice handful size of fresh mint, just roughly chopped. I happen to have some apple mint in the garden, but I also used a little bit of just regular mint as well. And then we're adding in some cilantro. And then we're going to stir it. You can add in a little bit of salt as well. Cameron, you want to grab the salt? Probably want to let this sit for a little bit, let the flavors kind of blend together. We're going to go ahead and try it right away just because I'm curious as to what this tastes like. Yeah, throw in some salt. Alrighty, that's good. Looks nice and refreshing. So you probably want to refrigerate this for at least a couple of hours just to get the flavors to kind of meld together.
But to show you guys, we're going to eat it now.
So I'm just going to try it, see what it tastes like.
And later we might put it on something to show you how it tastes in the refrigerator.
It's really good. I was a little concerned about the cilantro and adding that in with apple and mint, but it's really a nice combination. It's very light and refreshing. This would go really good with a jackfruit pulled pork as a side dish. So we'll have to do that for you guys one of these times, try the jackfruit. But this is a really nice, cool summer dish. Simple to make, took us like 5 minutes to make it. So give it a try. Let us know what you guys think of kohlrabi. Try something new this week. You never know. You might like it or not. We hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.